suction on them. They are fucking excellent. They are fucking excellent.
You're trying to get this a club and that.
That's good. No, there's no end of time.
Oh, the shame. It was mind blowing. I'm going to plug it in.
It takes about 10 minutes. It doesn't fucking
man.
They are awesome, them up.
I'll tell you now. Not going to be too happy when you see my stuff. It's worth the wait though. A bit of pressure. And the short is still on. Names like passing around and building stuff, fixing stuff. Straight on YouTube. There we go, that's good for it. So good for another test. The may or may not be enough. Get ready now.
We're going for a full blow.
Going for a full
blow. Full blow.
Hang on, I've got to leave the right way over that. Yeah, that's for the cab, that is. I don't know where I'm fitting it on the fucking thing here. Here we go.
Fuck.
I've done it with somebody on the phone. I've done it with somebody on the phone. I said, what do you reckon of these? He went, what? I said, have a listen, he's on the phone. I was going, straight to the phone here.
Fucking hero.
Wanker.
Fucking hero.